Hi everyone, we are from Group 7. For assignment PAA 20404, we are very thrilled to present to you about rate of change. Before that, let's get to know us. Our group consists of 7 people, which are Asfa, Shifa, Isma, Afiq, Damia, Farisha, and Anik. A hot air balloon is rising vertically at a constant speed of 5 meters per second. At the same time, a person is cycling on a straight road at a speed of 12 meters per second. And the road is directly below the path of the balloon. At the moment when the cyclist is 13 meters horizontally from the point on the ground directly below the balloon. And the balloon is 20 meters above the ground. How fast is the distance between the cyclist and the balloon changing at that instant? Now let us show you the calculation.
So we had a hot air balloon. So this is a balloon, 5 meters per second, and we have a cyclist, 12 meters per second. Alright, and the road is directly at the moment when the cyclist is 30 meters horizontally from that point directly below the ground, and the balloon is 30 meters above. So we need to draw a triangle to understand more of the question. Right, so here the triangle. Alright, so it say that this is 20 meter and this is 30 meter. Alright, so what the question want is, okay, let's assume this as S. Right, so the question is need ds over dt, but how we want to find this? Right, so here the triangle we have S, right? So let's assume this as y and this as x. Right, so in theorem of Pythagoras, we know that s squared equal to x squared plus y squared. So it will be like this. But the question want ds over dt. How we want to transform s to ds over dt? So we need to do differentiation over dt. Right, so let differentiate of the both side. Alright, so here we have ds over dt, and right here we have 1 over 2 x squared and y squared, and then here we need to differentiate inside their set. Right, so we have 2x dx over dt plus 2x dy over dt. So this how I got this. We need to use implicit. Alright, right. So we just make the formula more easier. So ds over dt is equal to x dx dt plus y dy dt over 2x squared. No, we don't have 2x squared plus y squared. So we have all the value. So ds dt is 12 and dy dt is 5, x equal to 13 and y equal to 20. Alright, so we just insert the value into the equation. So ds over dt equal to x 13, 12 plus y 20, 5 over x squared 13 plus 20. So just the calculator, and the answer is 10.74 meter per second. Right, this is the last answer.
Let's move on to question 2.
And now let's state our problem. A street light on the top of a 5-meter tall pole, 1.7 meters tall. Person is walking away from the pole at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. How fast is the length of the person's shadow? Increasing when the person is 7 meters from the base of the pole. Alright, so before we start solve the problem, we need to understand the problem. To do that, we need to draw the diagram to visualize more the problem. So here we draw a triangle and the man and his shadow. And then we label all the item given at the question. Alright, so we can assume the big triangle is equivalent. The smaller triangle, which is the person plus the shadow. From the similar triangle we know that 5 over x plus s is equal to 1.7 over s, and now our goal is to find s. By doing the cross multiply we know that 5s is equal to 1.7 times x plus s. By expanding the equation, we know that 5s minus 1.7s is equal to 1.7x. What we get is 3.3s is equal to 1.7x. Finally, s is equal to 1.7 over 3.3x. And now, we differentiate with respect to time. And from the question we know that dx over dt is 1.2 meter per second. From that we know that ds over dt is equal to 1.7 over 3.3 times 1.2. And the final answer is 0.618 meter per second. From the answer we know that the shadow length is increasing at approximately 0.618 meter per second when the person is 7 meters away from the pole.
This is the list of AI used for the whole task. First we have Canva, CapCut, ChatGPT, Copilot, Perplexity, and last but not least, me, a Google AI assistant.